Krofo nimo se woye hwan. Enti bisa. Onipa bia wa asase so wo se wonya wo personal brand. E wo se wonya brand a ye bowdin pe. De beba nkrofo tirim ene sa brand no. O meka se sa brand ye we de obuni hu o. Oye seyo. Eno ne brand America ho asem no. Nia me pasa wo ti ase ne se strong personal brands have higher values and potential earnings. And it say uye onipa. Now we don't know you for one or two things. Dia any anano pay mesra me twa adwene e de asiso. Say strong personal brands have higher values and potential earnings. Intano pay me say what is your personal brand? Or brand anything. Or brand anything. And you might be a person who one person personal adwene de koso. Now shall say ye hu adwuma. Number 1. Enhance your brand value by working on 7 enablers. 1. Your reputation. Reputation. Si yakasa reputation a animonyam jidie a nkrofo wo mu no. Wo position in the society. Enti amfa ne se bia se ne be ya wo beti ase enti. O ya assemblyman, me use assembly members ene dia ye example se ne be ya ye nyina ye beti ase yie. Personal brand, one kasa. I was say we hear one kasa personal brand ho adwuma. Wo uni brand bia, we don't know you for anything. Ye nim say unse utumi bo bi din. Unya bo nipa ne dia. Oso nipa we de o ta sha tade sei. Enti ye ba Ghana ha sesi ye ya. Ye nyaka nanado ne personal brand ebi ne den fellow Ghanaians. Enti unya te fellow Ghanaians pe you know nanado is talking. So what you say? Ebre bi atwam unya te minuanom na je say hwan. Ditiesi ameka minuanom. Hwan di na beba wutirim uncle ata niana ye nim no eno no. Now we know him for that. Enti won so dia ba na ye nim for. Enti mamemra reputation no. Reputation. Oye assembly member. Ewe electoral area bi. Enti yamfa ne say bia ba bia wo an assembly member wo ho no. Your reputation wo honorable na ekura wo no. And the moment yenya ye won potem wo nyina ba dia tum say oye onimonyamfo no. We expect you ye hwe animu say obeye ade a ade animonyam ebeba. Enu nti na say oye assembly member na ye ekonom nsa ba bia ye bekọ bia no ye hu assembly member wo ho no mo a animonyam a wosenke de ma no ye ne reputation, that name honorable no I wosenka judiciously oyusu na fei anka jealously or protect no watoto na se wode adi agro eni nti ema animonyam a wosenke de ma no ne reputation se animonyam honorable na waye ho adwuma ne nsa aka I wosenke obo ho ban no enam se ba bia ye bekọ se ye konom nsa bia be chia honorable wo ho ba bia ye bekọ se ye kopem ma bia be chia honorable wo ho ba bia ye bekọ a ade bia ye social vices ade bia society no oman mufo no anyintum ye hunu ne se ade we de obi onimonyam ni a ye nhwe anim so obeye sa ade se ye hunu se obi onimonyam ni na oye sa ade no a na nimonyam ni a obroni fe no reputation no ebo no enu nti na ye ba ye in society na ye hwe anim se obi ye honorable a enema bi wo ho no mo a enwo so ye den oye nti eno no eye reputation anopai. I just want you to understand say strong personal brands have higher values and potential earnings. And there are some 7 personal enablers I would want you to enhance on. Obeye hu adwuma na tumi aboa wo. Ye bold dia, we should know you for something. OBUOBA dia, you should know me say you can't bring adebia me oba okay your bottled water na ade ba ye I bottled water me fa bottle no kwan se na me as me no, you don't come to me and be meandering your ways before me oboa straightforward ye be ka kire wo bottled water ni kura wo no I bottled water akire din enye kasa tenten. So what you say? Thank you. So you should be known for a certain brand, and it enhance or work on your reputation. Reputation. So reputation kiti bi. Ehwere wo a, oba ansa na be ya ho adwuma wo nsa be ka no abre. And it say wo ye osofo, wo ye panyini bi e wo society nim, o man na wo mu no, wo dibia bi a, e wo say wo make sure say wo protect sa dibia na wo no jealously. And your reputation. Then we come to skill. Skill. Who skill ne saying, what are you known for? Who skill so I was say, o da chinti omo eni koho. Enu nti papa yi yesi otwa glass or yard pa. Ono nko ana dwuma ye neat. Otwa glass ni wi a, o wi a finishing no na wode ne company edin e de atare so. Enu nti mi hunu pe minimum say sa glass way if the company A and B ho o skill I was working on it o track record anything track record and you ma why you be da enu nti yanyi wuni na yemfa foforo nsanfa nhye wonsa OBUOBA ba ye morning show host no nyame anum nukure nie were proving itself to the satisfaction of everybody. I just say time for them. And it is what OBUOBA to me and Sadia. And a sign day. A Juma for frog can OBUOBA over to me. Ho, OBUOBA by yes, sir, OBUOBA morning show. No, why any ye, why any trocan? Yan Kotia, I see a Sunday program for fro, as Sunday Bemano. The track record I may want is not speaking well of me. It doesn't augur well. My track record and me one does not warrant another opportunity. And to make sure all the things you are doing today and those things will be there and it will face you. Enti abrabo bi awobo say I keep saying say abrabo bi awobo no hwe ni and then the position ketwa bi the amount. I was so making sure say you give your utmost best. Senebeya, you will have that track record waiting into what be na opportunity for froba. We quickly refer to your track record into your not track record no a kama ye ma wakwenya for fry yemre. And into yanum said yomu ye de bi eni achiri omo bebre. Mi mo bi edin yanto so. Track record. Afe usu eno ban attitude. Oda chinti o attitude usu eno ban eno nso ma ehun hia wo pa usu ban te sen eya nkrofo ka sen ne kire wo ana ya wote den eto de bi a pay attention to some of the things you hear people say into or you sit down you reflect on it nkrofo say anya bi amate afiripa ba ko mienu miensa enchen mate afiripa ba ko mienu miensa enchen enipa ba ko mienu miensa na aka de a ene na me ankasa nso wo se metena ase na meye mabra bomu adwuma enkrofo bebre se usuban eti sei what be wankasa nso eduru ba bi atena ase ayekun ayenu ye onipa ni bo yes I know we have some people they are naysayers they are hell bent on making sure that they ruin your reputation and a whole lot. I know them, but we have genuine people too who sometimes criticize. Into critiques you have to take into consideration. Think about your attitude. Usubanti saying you must consider that and work on it as well. And then your communication. Okasati saying, what are you known for? And inti enema me bobo su nyina e wosenka ye fa baako ne adi hu nkomo na awotwe ye fa baako ne adi hu nkomo na awotwe But you will not know bebre wo ho no mo we see we have to cover more before the year draws to a close. And say yeah, communication people know you for what? Yabani nkomodia. Can you be trusted? Wo ye betimi age wadi. Yabani nkomodia. Wo no usu ene oban to sing. How do you react to certain things? Your communication skills. And also, I was so young adwuma. O yo ba utufo a unya bema eno nya bayi eye principle. Tie. O yo ba ummu bema. O kasa bema nim te said de bema no. O na o to aduane mani di. O kasa anyhow. O yo ba o de opa ma ho nya fenchen meri o wu Yesu. Aware efe na aware. Unya bi da enye bayi enye nnome eye principle. But mumu bebre no ayen kasa no kra ne nkyere mo. Enti wo ba ye se eye bayifo. Opani no wo fie ona nyame aye na adom a wanyini ya che no no ne de kwakɔhye no. Work on your communication skills. Work on it. How do you talk to people? You talk to people in which manner? Ekwan ben so na woni nipa kasa. O kasa ye boom boom. Ana say na wo kasa. Work on it. Your appearance. Ye hunu a eden ne ba yitirim. Yehunu no gay die oye neat o gay woni mu dress o gay die na tade bi obese bi afata no esiri na ase kama ne nufu ngu ho ne ba bi en na ho na appearance ye kama gay die minim spray a oya o use ne hu ohwamo we die oye neat o take care of himself o. Your appearance must count. Na we die oba besia no wade ntoma twani mu ne wagina ntasuo na num osan pese osan kasa wo ho no okasa ho awurade nyankopon na 21st century enkrofo bi enkrasifo enemre mu kuru anibia bai ubehunu na oba besia de ntoma bonimu no wade nam krom enemre mu anibia bai ubehunu na obi te se ka ben abo pe maame panimu o no wadi mirika pia firi ne fie behwe ka na eba enemre mu anibremre mu masa work on your appearance. Ontare shem ma ehun ehia wo pa yehunu den afenia edi ho no na me di etwato kra edi amawo na afei ya soro so na edi dawubo enkrata mo so edi ato aso eye wo integrity. Wey papa we die the emphasize de nkoho no mua wo se woni ne be word to word you are going to banter words with this man o mua wo ja no ma we di obi no hu o emfamfa o jaisa wo mua wo ma me we ma me o pa ye ne fitiano pa kopim anwumre onka de or a certain brand of value ni integrity. Debio brano I had you no what dia me se kofi ko sabire wada enu nti se yete se ye bia koso baabi na se obuoba wo ho bia ya na enwanwa because ono won ko. You have a certain integrity, protect it. When you do this, when you work on this 7 enablers, when you enhance it, you will have a strong personal brands. And remember, strong personal brands have higher values and potential earnings. Afe ema wo mu be yedu. Ye ma position kure nipa tumi ka se we your sefata. Ye koto abakra na se yehunu se wonfonyi wo mu bia obi atumi ka se we de meto e de amano adintia because what work on your personal brand se ne oni nipa kasa ubu ho ye nhia ba bi basa untadi semu ye kama enya me ba kurom ha no anka minim se bepem nei ye wo 2022 yi enkrofo da so eye autofesta enya importam anka mi hu bi da se namremu enkrafo kura gya sa ade no na obehia mrante we mamu wa no na ne you trust us no etotwene na for boxer mumu nante because boxer na apese ye hwe ana so apese ye hwe boxer enti yi atade ni kanu se trousers no yi totwene na fa boxer no nko ane na mabonten so work on yourself enti sana yo wudi mu a eduru baabia ye pe omo bu omo ho edo omakoye bibi a wo ye mefrew enso nka ebia na nka nimdie mu nka waben enu tina ndra me ka kire party communicators ne say build a certain brand. You shouldn't be known for we there eba ne buga we ne yenko frɛ no no eba ne yenko di atem we ne yenko frɛ no no but I was see a timi kaiwo near kaiwo brand say eba enkrofo a yedi minister yedi DCE yedi MCE yedi CEOs ma we I was see a timi money bi aden because we prove say over all the potentials and it make I say when you work on your personal brands, it will help you have a higher potential earnings. And into position be by it, me boudin. I was here. Now, yeah. Debbie, I have mommy 2. I have mommy 5. Oh, no, son, you be wa. Position can see a back, ebe toa. Oh, who wants someone to be a trimuda because what you be and say, oh, your honorable mommy 2, honorable mommy 3. Work on your personal brand. When you have a strong personal brand, trust me, you have a higher value potential earnings. We should work on these 7 enablers. And trust me, when you work on this, and I dance the breme. I catch us a party communicator. Oh no. Yede waye car no mede tutututu ekwan no bulldozer yede wo bulldozu asase no na fe ye kwan ni wie kama na ya asfalt wie a e wo senke yede wo faso bie no ne apagya wo de wasi car bi so ye so wo faso abese no adentia because you mu hunu se wadwene nye papa me pa cho work on yourself wo da chinti erade nka ho yede dawubo enkrata moboso e na ede toa so amamo 44 minutes after 7 a.m. Oda chinti ena SC Sisiano. Me obia, you say, oh my Lord. So when you show money, now papa. Sisu them plenty Tiana too many my enemies see no big God. Them don't know my story. Oh, now they don't care how I feel. Okay, my young father Bonka Tamobo Sono Emfa and my Pacho to me are joining our Facebook. Ube to me are joining our YouTube as well. Na Ghana National Association of Teachers, NAT, SA Yankantre GES, says 10% rent allowance you said and no omuntua ne china. Oh my goodness. Na teacher ni kwa da dan mu ayesi wontua rent. Politician kwada dan mu ono de yesi ye besan kra san man allowance asan ka ho. Ai. Enyi mu ba no no. Omo ye constitution no. Minimum se bi da so te ase de a. Omo nyina wu ho. Papa Jemo na mkoi. Because I don't know say sabre no na common sense ye adwuma de a. Na nya adwuma. I think so. Na ye me kwa. Ana tiu. Where the genesis of Constitution 1992 no a. Na ye say ye be ya military man. Ekuma beto ne yam. Na wa ma ye di civilian rule. E dia ye adwuma. Inti ene sa na tie dia I was say yes constitution no in a way say ebema ne papa no ankasa kuma to ne yam afei ne kuma to ne yam a papa no so ewo nkrofo bi e from chronics family and friends ono ane nan fofo no e wo se yetimi nso ye niam bi ya omu nyina nso kuma be den ebeto mo yam. Into 1992 constitution no is a whole document just to persuade a military oriented mind to adopt civilian form of governance. And then you practice here for 30 years. Cool BNC baby. Into baby am from so another answer no. Na constitution ni baby krono ano ya kwasesa ne say afedie. First and deputy speakers you amunti minto aba no. Ye be mo kwa mo to aba. Momo ho de egadam. Na constitution ni fa bia e kire say obi aban adwuma eni a obetua rent. Eno no de
obi akana no.
What kind of country are we, you know? Sometimes, you know, if you don't take time, you just lose it. Meji disa mumpo mbako die.
Nyame adom obo. Na so e.
Nyame adom me hoye pa.
De nyame ase.
Hoye. Anyways, mama yemu room.
Yo.
Afi ya ni aka na ye de atwa so.
Me pa che yo.
Sane waso no. Enti famo film ni enko.
Ani adom of film abusia anapa no so ba pa ho sema aduanan enso. Ewa Ahenkan FM ase na wo ba bi a wono me gidi se time no saa na tie. Anapa wona bi a wampe. Ekome bi pe. Da bonkra ta mo boso ene ye de ba no. Ekua Frakuma Studios na etie MAAKYE Jumedie eso. Na daily guide da bonkra ta no ena me de hyase. Na me hyase na me hyase frustro. His Excellency na Nado Dankwa Ekufuado. Nimfoni da hase na samu oka nyina ne se. Africa hase no. De enti ama ku bebrebe kwaso ne se. Kwabrane kokotako. No otim obotantim. Baby a wosie no to be president opeso be sore so ne asore so china. Na saa dia no mo amotra so che bebrebe no. Enti wo transfer 20 years, 24 years, 130 years no a. Na afi o manfo ho afo no. Wo afro o manfo. Enti se wo fro wo mo saa no a no obi a dwen se e wo se etu aban gu. Enti abantu kwa bebrebe na ekwaso Africa no wo mo magire nkunya so no ose wo mu sore so na saade ne na edi cool bebrebe eba. His Excellency na Nado Dankwa Ekufuado ECOWAS che na akasa no na Attorney General yesi yakasa yi Owura Godfred Odame eni enkrata hodro wa kuruchire asoa eka ne se boga MP na nya asam ketwa so wa wani tua boga MP kura eka wanso papa yes wa Canada ni esa ye Ghana ni ya wanko panu ho achi wa Canada okura citizen na wasanso peso ya citizen Ghana ha no sa MP no asam ne ka boga MP no ene ese Attorney General odi ne hujuma sane ebe ya Parliament House onko ho no mo enko boa ma agento ato a enko so. Na asia no mwanso prosecutor bi na wose hwamono no mo de ku ya wo mo fa wo mo frefre ku na ku aso mo yare papa ku ya de papa enya de poti mo mo frefre ku no munyae na yesi NLA fonso wonom adonate sika som 100,000 Ghana cedis omo de kwa hen apiate fund. Encha no mwanso ne say sika bia esom 38.9 million euros. Yadi akwa koto 40 beds. Empama akoma 40. Sika wo de koto ye no. Ehun sam so eda ha ma ebubruja. District Hospital kra no de koye. Ehun sam da ha say daily guide the Obokrata no ede aba.
Ghana Rishmamba the Obokrata me de atwaso ede amamo. The new crusading guide. The new crusading guide the Obokrata ne bamane e kire mu se. Piak one mo ekosi nkonya. One mo ekoto ato adwene public accountable committee no. Na one kwa ya no na nyina no efa 11 ho adento ato ase beboa. Se moase yenjintuma yenjintum omso agusu a eto adwene. Ene yeso omumu ache se tu kakra no ejina fa na kakra so gina fa we se me anyintum we se anyina ntum ya anyintum na we ya se gina po ene one eye owura James Avezi wonom crash ye owura gina po se you agree the e-levy is coming some beti aso some ti aso the e-levy is coming ana eye James se wo se dey tie de okeka ho enti wonsam aye bebre de obokata wodi munchiremu e de abaka ta fa to so miensa ene eye edu ene odi asemi people enso ede aguo na yesi arms and ammunition trafficking saga bi nso akoso na enu sei no sem no ekasei yesi JR wanomo panyini baako aye owura Michael Sechi wone enkrofo ebi eka ho wonom aso ayehye dom kwakogina eye adakam ama wonom so yakobusebusa homo enso ano edi SM na obepiemu ewo eye abuamantam ya noma na wokọ eye ofuase ayire bia baton bezu aso omra hyebedwani wonu kro ya aye osoafo rede ubo ensem so o Michael ko ganam ya onimonyamfo akwaje opon enkroma ene kasa odebo ka tai mu kyeremu se SM trafo eye RTI no be no right to information act no wose momfa nya adwuma momfa sa akwan so na momfa enya eye information anase nsem bia mopese munya enso ede eboa mo man no ekonanim ebia no momfa sa emra no so sase tintim de maamo timunwisu na owie ye no ana nado dan kwa akufado atimkwana no no mbremu nimfonyi ada Ghana man panyini enso di tudwa kyeremu se mo amabo mutirimu po ewosumu ase se yentu abangu aban no no man koye nti yentungu o se anya no na beboa mo man na koye o da bi ai kema min kabi no eye pa ade no ane betumi enso aboa ama o man bia akọ eye nanim na sanso ana eye ahwe ya wo ana ehye enkronketwa amamuo ni mpunto odwumadie eso eye local government no wonom so aguso etua na mo asisiam no kasa de omo comments ni mansini awodo mu na wono omone wo empanyufo akodidi nkita ho se de be ya ma eye wonom empesua so na se mansini betimi atumpon akonanim nti we se omo de omani akire mu kura ewo eye atifi atoye mantem ni mu Upper West ena afenso no eye Savannah region mu a omguso ebo eye entoa the new crusading guide obokata ni mu nsem enie
The Daily Statesman da obokrata ena medeto asana na do dan kwa kufu ado se Africa ha se ohia bebrebe adokro yen no enye ku na betimi ayi se hia na firo eye ha bebrebe na so yen no enye ku timu amfrefre ku no munyai na yenhwan fa ekwan bi so betimi abo ama Africa yakoye nim na ku die enye solution na yasesnetefo wo ma lanche enioma hudro bi akande hudro bi o betimi ahwe ede abo eye Senate social security ho bra na o metimi dia redi aye ho ntoto ye ho nsam eda ha sei na asia no mwanso land minister onwanyafo Abdullah Jenapo oni a public accountability committee for chair no wo mu dia bo ani anyansam kuma o wo mu ye meeting na yesi 11 no ohurama ne wasankofo mienu ho nsam wo mu we de to na we de ato we de to na we tie be ye ni na encha no mwanso attorney general kanisa forms ahodra wa file ediatia boga MP na ho nsam eda hanom ya hwese the battle is still the Lord's the battle is still the Lord's sabapei obenya enentu agina so atintimu se emra no bebo na to ba bi onyame nko a ne nkrabia enanim the Daily Statesman da ubo krata no
integrity and professionalism da ubo krata aye Ghanaian publisher ede waswafo no na hwe da ubo ensam so onimonyafo kwajo opo enkromafo nyi dia ba sedem di kan eka kire wo no saa no wakanso da ubo krata we mu oka kire nsam twerefo ese wonom emfa RTI atne so na momfa enya omo ensam ahoto ebetimi aboa ama womo so nsam twerejuma no adimu ama no ma akonkan enti wonsam ewa ha na owura eye asabi onabo asamwa boaten nimfonyi eda ha wono so nani bra abre no se MPP amanyakuo no wono monhwe no momfa eye otutina kunya no mfa ma no na omediko nanim na ogide se betimi akoye enkan to ope MPP national chairman akunya ne atena so ana wade to MPP ko ne animu se MPP no ogide pa so mu jiroma na mo so nyoma pa ko nanim omu jiroma na mo so pampe esa mabunu dodo na omwo ewo no mu enti ana wade sa asemwe ede ato edwa yade kan ede adan dada esa public accountability committee no wanum ekọ asetena efa 11 no ho na omukọ ye no wom de abo ani wo ho we menteme wase ekọ so ho no ma wode emu ensem enso so ede aba wode onimonyamfo Samuel Abdullahi Jinapon Fonyini ana di p asem no eso krata fe toso mienu obetima akenkan ensem no epipo enyina enso ho na nadodan kwa kufado Fonyini asa piem Ghanaian publisher mu a wode etudwa ekiremu se se oji kama kabi amamuo no etumu a emasumdue ba pa obi atimi che na adwene ene abane ye de anya wo su timba na so abekere wadwen kama ekoye so timba na abekere wadwen kama eboa amafa ahudie nkoso eba ama eye oman no atimi ekọ eye nanim na emom se asrafo ana se soja aban ade wo chese ne emwa oman biala ntimi enkọ nanim na dom keto wo mra se be fie Omano edani iyo nimonyamfo Haruna Idrusu ni Fonyini ana dada obokata yi emui ana odi tudwa kire mi sadom ketwa no sika no eso aye 38 million euros one ma block no ana kan se ki de ba be ya ayarsabia entotuye bi amaja ayarsabia wodo bi mu a atete aprasai awo man mu yetime de abesiesie yeso ma block no se ka ma scan ma twetwetwe ma Ghanaian publisher say ya integrity and professionalism.
Daily graphic double krata na Ghana de shemamba mede to so double krata mo boso na egusu bu boso yi one mu a ekwo bi a friend of members of Ghana Printers and Paper Converters Association one ma baba no abaso eni omo nsem amabo ne se sha ada ya omo so na nado dan kwa kufuado ni aban ya wotiso yi odwe wo ho pa esan se no se textbooks a wo draw no yanyam free Ghana he ya textbooks a wo draw ya e wo se ye nkwada de suade nyina ode ato manim se wo munye e wo Ghana ha enti san hyehyɛ ne gusu ekoso ya se no mo so ani age pa enti ekwo eche se o ebeboa papa ye ema ye ho no eja akoyie e de amaye na dan kwa kufado nso krata edi ni nyina ba eka ne se ku hu asem a wakan eda ha biem yesi odo na so wate odo na da
se wonkan
yesi emu achoku ma ichoko this life ichoko ejese yesi emu achoku Emma says, no, sending nsuo no, enso etoto no. So man kwatimu ebeyehu papa. We tambola cho, pure water cho, we cho no. Ehu pa, sensuo no, start dig padia. Oh, ebeya some kese wo enkrai. Daily graphic and some of the back akra enu.
The Herald the obokata no na mede etwa so amamo the Herald kire se what the aye totoro ni ani ntino onmu nyina ye nkrofo a apomde ansa ahobambo nsemu na wonom edi djuma enti do di kan aye Owura Ambrose Dari ono ye interior minister do to so mienu aye police fo nyina Sadom IGP Owura Akufu Dampare do to so miensa aye Corporal Steven K nyame wano meka no wasem ana Constance Emmanuel Osei ono na so be kaya buro van bi aja uyedi sika ko bia foforo bi a wano hwe so obobo sika no ban ohun ye no na ono no mom ne nkwa ya jefi ni nsem sika ne tiase sika ne ko kra ana ode aye wenso CON atense so be Constance Randolph J ansa asufo nyidi aba na sa aye Randolph ene Steven yeso omumienu omuka bomu ana chese eye Owura Constance Osei Emmanuel omukun no wa bra ya Bulovan no akronfo akwato share so na tutu okokọ so no na eno nam so bi ama sisi ya chi wono mo ya chi wono mo no ana aye Constance Emmanuel Osei ane wato nam wonse adu na busuafo ekire mu se arewo pa sem na si no aye omo ya na omdwere ho a wonom enti ase kura na mu ensem akasa no wakuchi de guda bokata de Herald mu te wokwa na wakope bi no wakenkan kama na osoafo hwe aye apomde ensem so kwakwaji manu nimfonyi da ni ya kire se yase wono soso akra okopie mu wono ma ayasa bia ba ku bia wono mo yase hu nsem bebre opanyini no ase wo mo ye twanseruwa mo ye twanseruwa o na doctor kwasi wasese o meyiya no omra no meyiya no hu nsem enso ewo aye de obokra tayi emu na yase ne kasavide ba ku bi soso yatum chaache radio good yase omasa babak nti die
radio good faba
yaso maba nti emfie miensani a yatum no maba nti ombe frase ya adwuma nne ya mama kwabu
ene na kwabu
welcome we ni nsem bia keka ho na the Herald the obokrata no de ebesom ye ni
ene emede Ghanaian Times the obokrata no na etwaso GT the obokrata no na another dankwa Akufo the president the otega na benjaso nimfo ni da ha na busuasem o kanya ne se Africa kwa yenko yanim nyina yeku ose ku no na chese amayan akoyachi akwa yanim kakra ne abayachi akoyanim ani abayachi chese yentimi nkoyanim tin straight ku no nti setback nkwa na nado dankwa Akufo esrese ku no yenyin free Africa se na emoaye ase ano mwanso yese minority for ashe wono bo aban kokose minority ye kasa na ban tie ye ene say COVID-19 ba ya na moto borders mu chura bam borders dia nam asase so mututum ensuo so matutum besi na COVID-19 say lockdown eniwo biem say COVID-19 no smash nkofo nhye active cases say kra no abegina em say e kan say 400 and do 400 and something active cases about from say hwi enti mu ha pa ne sentie say borders no Togo ayi omo ko Togo de hwan voter for ni titru kra de bro mo bre no seja komtimi akotwe no makodi dwa wo baabi no maba omuni oman wo moto na so esanse atototo borders mu onti no aduma nkoso Ghana ha ho kira ba se fu woni atutum se hwihwihwi ochina yesi gas yebetu we matu we mlaifa yebetum ti yebetutu nyomem na so omanu aduane e borders ne ho a matutum se COVID-19 so aye twam kabia aye past tense enti minority force rest aban no mbie COVID na we he
ho
na se no tie e wo hokra no a abafom mama check se mehu active case no a na ka me abafom e na no Saturday kra na active se yakwafo wo yade ni bi 89
omo obi no
e bi wo twenko omo yade ni bi sisia new cases o ma record 10
Ghana nyina
na titi borders no mu biese die nti nyame na miko minority for na de o masama ba da obokra tenso eden atro ede aba nti o musi na nado dankwa Akufo omie borders na sese nipa na enya COVID ni ewa form na ukwo ufri minority for asemi so na ukwo soro kakra na sebeje ni ojem no madesha won mo ofanse ayirebi constituency bekapa ehwo na bekapa wo omokwan eyefun pa woni manyafo kwadwo opon oswafo hwe amane bonsa so information minister mfoni da endro kom na sebeje fie eni okwakeka nsama wodra information ministry amane bo omwo okobo omu bia fine na no mu na kopie mu say right to information bill no wase ye news media for Ize se mu ana makwan ya ena ban kra ma ye kwan emeye nsembi wa kra ye mbusa ya mamu beri kakraka we motetete moto so nti onimonyafo kodwo opon kroma se right to information bill no munyusu to ma ese munyusu no munyusu na mufampa information ehun sam eda ha na akwa ba akwa no nso ku yase wosusu ja wosusu ohutejem eja wo fitem nyina se ku mra ebi musi asem abrante ne kan na mfa ku hu enkyere so wo ploti ku ebi muso se da bi na asem wo kan betim di ku aba abrante vomawo ni case no yaso no kwado ofiri abrochire ba se no wo kwa abrochire ofiri abrochire du kotoka na kabo abanka ba edugu nsa na ano no yase no ne nkofo ahodro na lawyer for the judge for wo muguso a hwe se be discharge no na wanya ne tri edidim Ghanaian Times the Obo krata no
BNFT the Obo krata anu ya Business and Financial Times dwade ni sikasam the Obo krata na wode atodwa echemjesam no kasa de empempen sidi no oguso anu woteto oguso a sidi no wabre wokopa na nso enyeye ejiase wasa beti ato bekofom be se eye 20% onji chemu eye aduonu ase de aye ide edin o
yawu
ti doctor obi mfre doctor no nka tire
doctor timi we no kaya ba mi
doctor bo obi a we doctor pani doctor me wan pani ma ye
doctor ba mi ana ka
ana
timi aye ento no so na de se agine nse
ana doctor ndo asa
na do nyina asa na ho de so
pani ni bi ni ho
nti na me se ka be ya kan pipifu a wo wiase nyina mumbra amombechi sidi ni nyina ho
dog dog ndro na sa won kan yan kra bi mra me
ndi asa na nti obi nkan kiro adro na sa adro ni si
na wo na manufacture
aka medicine kwa
ana medicine no so aye bibia ho
medicine so aga na fa so
mo be ana semba kwa so ayare
tika
ya mami medicine na manoma mo se mo mbe ana
inwa ba ga na fa so mo
mbe medicine no
ne ade no
medicine de be wo sidi na ma ne ho aye de mo mbe
Sene gana fe babre.
Yani say mo amasema. Nyob ne kumanti. Yate na owie ya no ana wode atugye kire mu say o say now time for export based economy. Enti oru akrapa ana ono so de aba. Eze blaso say yesoso yebetimi ede enuoma free anum de akonkrofo aman so. Yate ana ode aba wa ha. Na owie ya no ana o kire mu so say eye COVID-19 mitigating no mitigating yanhwe na yenya hu ebibi na no enso entimi emwa Ghana economy no na no ma enko nanim na stand chart for one so alanchi dwumadie bia wo chese beboa ama eye ema anase ama me no mo wonum adidwa no wonum so ombeso omasena me no matimi akọ nanim BNFT da bokata ni munsam ebi eno no
abusia da inquisitor da bokata no ne ade to aso dada masi o dada masi dada masi why
alaji so da masi
dada masi da o wa ba pepe ai ya trend
swag
I can't say yeah we mu ya dada masi ayi no dada masi da ha abusia unim dada masi kope da inquisitor ubehu dada masi what oh that's right yeah that's right amenshia yeah for the next thing I put your minyo denye doctor kwaku otin yeah na me say yeah na doctor busame afia we ya dey say monya nsuo monya duane monya na doctor the 60,000k dada masi we ye ba ko afia hwe ye oso okun na nhwe mi emponchi bebre dada masi enti list ne de na wapa na list no obuba na mami di be pm chief of staff mami frema ni di pm bi na nkwafo se chief of staff ukra 50k 50,000 cedis and no 500 million craft wait me nya 500 million kwama sa afia hwawe so amfanya ni papa yi ama wabubo list no wabubo abuba faradesi obo ye enye news say faradesi onu ani boto onkwaji post bi to de ho so onka so ye PP ni onka so ye DC enti ho de ye te cry ante na MPP fo ni di nya pie mu ana esi je
Ibiso
mo so da mo si levy mu kura 500 million ana mo sa esu 11 ho ende agofo bi adwa papa pe se grassroots for MPP for ni bi kwa adwa sent mu kura sesika maame afrema ho ahwan wo kura sesika we chief of staff wo kura sesika we na nti won fa mayen ana se o man kasa be ya no se fia hwa no obo dada mase yesi entro no twa maame frema opare 1.5 million bi anko yesi ye omo anom keka omo nsase enye nipa ba akwa ekuo bebre na omo keka omo nsase we de omo de ko
MPP kono mene de omo ntimi keka omo nsase
dabi 11 ni de omo ntimi omo ntimi mfanto omo ho so agire ye boa but aye
ndi omo betima keka omo nsase
birthday eno de ana so obi kwa broche se oseme play aba and o metimi atam sika mane se on fambra
yate
nipa kro no kro bedri enti dada maseda ha na maame chief of staff maame akosua frema osai opare ono so dan to mo se sika na afia hwade dwi ne ho tu ne ho no enya maame ne de koye no mo boaboa sika na na bullion van so asem bi agi boom Ghana ha se a post ni young guy ne ho ofa 10 gram wo gadi sika we na nkofo bi tuo pay
okay afia nya botra na me nkwa homa no so nkodi nkomo we emra sisi ya me da se ye ne kwadwo da se oye kasamafo edemapu emantamu Ghana Water Company Limited yira kwadwo oti yenka apombo de
metemo kapo nyame adom ho ye na mo so
nyame adom ye nso ye ho ye papa na ye ankasa Ahenkan FM 4 de ye ne Ghana Water wo personal entokwa wose ye kun ye tia water bill tia ensuo ebu ho no 1 month ensuo beba ha no 2 times per eti mu ankasa de entokwa de ne mu obi kun but ye mfasa entokwa ni nsi enchen ansa ene ye yi asi ho no mo a
hello that's I don't know if you can said you be quick na on TV or see it mama nchim ana me fa kasa ho bi emfa na and said that boy na all the mo man shama mu no gado do ti bi jira
Matias
mo komo ni mo atomo da na ni potem
Matias
so me ni se wusu ma de kan no bi sa so de kan ya be twem na se nya no a na wa sa bisa udebes neighbors omo cha won share o fi ono and e fi na dan bebe se mu de omo so de ba na omo se eba ana se eba e ma ke se de mo de na ba fine there is a problem and I said there is still a problem but se omo de ba na wo de ma na ono ya o se be bi na o line no ana problem bi wo mu na ye ntimi hu ya na se o mi o kan change no still ana ye o sa bi achimo da pa na wakati se minim Ahenkan mi bacho facho na Ahenkan from away
acho yewo abuabo
pa na mo si tuma abia the whole man na sure about 2 times no daddy dia today say mesre munim your office and I say ya to come here manager na be kasa so it is about the time you trying to a peculiar problem but me say dia the whole abuabo omo sure ma for I mean and I say mo so many na mo sure about 2 times daddy it must be a share no so dia na o problem ti chefo so una problem of obia se dia masa ibia na ntisa o ibia na nkwa me ni obia na ne dia 3 months the show ma ye kwa the line was fi akota obi adwuma mi na dabra wanhwe na fi akogina line no obia nso na mba anta ne yekomu na ye ko ye friend Tracy ya na use that problem ni it must be pa say do bia ye won chirimu wo sa ba ti twam dia and I say you be big pan that she said atomo da abo nyina ye so mu nyansia but 2 months 1 month na about twice a year but we are customers they bring that you see oh we should mark 3 weeks buko media buy a 3 days ago. Probably not ban a
I see. Inti yada say for sa collateral explanation, you know. Afi yemra ene. Oh, there be nyandi be we are na me be how adwen. And that's the International Day of Action for Rivers. Ghana Water Company saying I'm more celebrating. More activities of illegal miners, you know, operations are a bit difficult. Saying I'm more celebrating and Zania, but in Shashahu Mudi Guaquem na Yadia Sosadiana. No.
You would say, so come rivers once more. Any Yabem and I say, me and not yet now to say. Yes, celebrating rivers. But and I'm saying, you're beneficiaries of rivers, you know. You can't beneficiaries, you know, Ghana Water Company. You know, your Water Resource Commission, Omuna, and yes, rivers, water bodies in the Sherman, sir. You know, say, no, International Day for Rivers, and I think, yes, that annual choose a Jordan baby. And yes, International Day for Action for Rivers. It is UN and I'm on Kubatan or Chile in Arginaba to say, here, say, the Bobo de Ru, Ayakasan, Afa, Yesu, Suanish, Ishiakasian, Jenna, or Sia, near the Bangobine. For example, Ghana Water Company, say, you see, and I rest I plant beer, you see plant Biana, you have the beer, you bring that issue, you should tell me. I've been being able to die. I want to me any of you, and you see plant me. It should be the same dreamer. There were plants there, I would Anna, you see along the Dream River, a free chubby, Eba Munsu, Echo, Usino, Echo, and some of you came out of the other plants in the sea on plant casino in sea on, and so far, Ghana Water Company. Plant cassia power eating and a war at more down. And a plant, yes, plant in our. But that time she said, Ghana Water Company, rivers, no, not a water bodies, and we hear that should be not say, you know, say you basic plant to be a corner. The source, I don't need raw material. It's no, yes, I mean, you should be, you know, usually you area no. I mean, you show you see a mahafu issues, your corner, you never be a better function. And I think now I'm at the cost of that project, no committee, nobody, and you say, what you feel, baby. I will take quantity. You're more buying Emma and never in Chilima. If you say, tell me, Minumina and Sue Yanqua. I mean, I said, you're a potential idea. You're quite for you do a baby and show it to me. You're best said, you cannot cry a dear woman. But and then who do want to have an issue? And I said, essentially, I've been so called essentially. And it becomes a dear plan of mentionary. And they say, your bench, you at least, you overdose you want about 100 meters from the river. And I'm sure, man, that's what I'm over Pinafi, who can you know, Bunia, about in a direct impact. Oh, you so. Na emane to the friend of Scotland and I know become of evaporation. Yes, I count is a phone hour and said you should talk.
You have just 1 minute remaining.
Oh, I see. Oh, gracious me. Anyways. Enti yehwe se yede no ebeba ahoma so ebiom na afi yatoa yenkomobo no eso ene International Day International Day of Action for Rivers. Enti yehwe se yebesan anya opani de na aba ahoma so ne yatoa yenkomo twetwe no eso yehwe kwan yebefa so a yebetimi aso saade na no onim se Debia ye ka ho asem na Ghana de asem maaya na ye nyina obi ape baabi atena gye asem bansa na yetumi asan akwakofa abane aba be ka ho asem kwan be ne be fa so illegal miners yomo atie si ensu ahodo so kwan be ne be si ano asem bansa asem maaya na obi akopa ne baabi atena nti ye hwe se ye nsa be san ka opanyini no na ye de no aba ahoma no eso afia
enti dan kwesita da obokrata na mi kuramu a owura da asebaye no na enti ma mento asoma bullion van ho sansam a ekọ de no na me kansa na papa ne bai enti yebeka ya posini abrante tenten gram so no te bullion van mu na wo guide sika no afa ho awu sika no enenam ho ye ogu nkofo botom enu nti abusua no se na senso obetom se yesi aposifo ono na damfo ene nkofo bi na egeji no atu ni tuo enti na namfofo nso ya aposifo na enamso mabusua no abrante na busua osei na busua wonom yesu aposifo Ghana Police Service eti Dr. George Kufu Dampa Rimfoni da tizesi esi abusua no kwa akosiu Ghana Police Service ehon sam eda ha se krata dia ba na asia no mwanso de esi obi kotwa antro eto ajeman bedi so na entro no apaska encha no mwanso yesi owura kosa wo eye Upper West region ene Savannah region wo just wo tumpasa wo kwanto abo ewo ho ya krata ede won sem aba the inquisitor the ubo krata nsama hodro kakra odi bae no enti dada damasio kase boy mutie ye na morning show is mutie
mame
dada damasio ya dada damasio
dada damasio wa
eni na je
dada damasio wa ha o the custodian na bae
da bi me the inquisitor to be na to no
the inquisitor the bokat answer fearless, fair and reliable na ensema wo do de aba no na ode atodwe kire mu se asabi na behwei obon PP fo mabunu na ba so pa se wonum guso omo ye adwumaden de eboa MPP amanyoko se de be ya 2024 yi ene MPP sa betena so na wadi nkunim enso ebiem na owie ya no na osoafo re da obonsam so ni fonyi no asaba biem ne nsama wo don so ye de asomo dada wo se samtwerefo nhwe se omo ede RTI Act no right to information bill no metimi de aye adwuma na aboa ma nnoma akọ nanim
okay me ba ma yensan konkoto anko matike so yera dase wadaroma wo de be che yen na wanu gusu a wo kire yen o hawa hodo a illegal mining e de abrayen
yo esa e bedu illegal mining no kra no na me kase amafo a okuafo a ye do bensuo no and how are they brain so issue to na atinote akogu issue no hello
ora da si yetie wo
bas menya feedback bi o me am funu no mu ntino mo check e but this is
okay what my yensan frau sisi ya why
ma me oku me distract me
mate me da si bebre enti ye hwese yensa ebesan kan pendino na wato aso me pa to aso ho no mo man
na metwaso wo the custodian na wode atodwa biem kire mu se asio mo na hwe ensase dwumadie eso land commission no wonu mo chese isi ade omri bibia be kwa be fontentan so digitalization no digital ni isi ade awura ba pia ti ewon so ye ba be digitize na no matimi akọ enkan so afọ hwe ensase ene efam agudie ene ne dwumadie eso ene de sansemwe enso ato edwa nti ewonsam no custodian
okay afia nya botre ma me na ene de yero da se wadaroma fache yen to aso
ti do ni ti o nyina se ne ye di suba ye de na dia ekutia isuasua atitru se ye nyina atitru se nsie yankwa na ubekokro bi nsie na bia se de almost dan amko sabe ka se se na wi ti jabi na ulis ka de tu abura ko fa nsie lo ye enene nkirima almost ti babo se subo se ye da yanga fi ye na na no bi dai ati se ye kan de do illegal mining and I said galamsey and ye clear but I want them the na aban to one amount aban we any aban bi atwemu to one amount and so no enko ya esuban se sa aban tv police for soldier for be 24 hours that be because we are say the soldier for na police for call kwa no correct na afin sio ne na kwayem ne ja that be ntiba se who is asori bi say water company sio ya twen ade amanfo no sio no e be o trade akra de ha kwato no tie ana se sio ti no kono ya poto ya fa stability na nti yeti bi fa sio ni nyame ti o se ya twen ya twetwa so ba bi ti se bonsu plant yi kana ekoso kana ekoso si afimu ne a fi atwam nyina no be fi ni 9 year atwam o ya na sio na hono aye poto nti o so twetwa so ya shut down as a suspended plant no ne be sio ni be tia antani ya saba eti uko bonsu ene osino fifi wa ya kan galaxy illegal mining no adan di da o pe fe sa kwaye mu fifi wona die da so koso de dende eti ya ba sere mo na nanom a ne ya ka di yin no itu na mo ya ne o man pochi ya nya sa ka sa hono sabi ya se bi pese ni kunya ti na klori na sa o man fo ni na no ho ba kiro mo especially about issue mo o se ya fa du be mu no ana de ya betuti na sabi extra akọ ya kura bi asi sabi ya no na ya sa no mo na wo de niro ne o hu ni churu poto a ebi wono ma edere no mo ti nyansu pa anom eti ya babo penifo mo efa boss appoint ya twa adwene emra nsuansu ahụ a mo ka international day for rivers no ewunya pa me no kan na o chebetin Canada world water day anu so ya beta kansu wa temo ake we ma hu se tabi ama penifo ko sia ya abo fata boss appoint no o mu ye se ya kansu wa tem awo yan sori mu ye meeting ye sukumu environmental clubs social clubs ya form ye tu sana mo je ne be ya ye be anas ye mia ye fa mo so ban je na o se ya ye betimi aboama ye betimi abo sansu ho ban ha na o se komo no eko
I see. And the last time I mene Yera Stanley Mate etwetwe nkomo mi bisa no asem na sa asem krona mi bisa won so looking at Sanya Ghana for binom aye omo ho recalcitrant miscreant mo ka hwe omuntie na omugusu a wo mo se nsuo no onyi ni se ebra so a e wo se aban ana omanmu ni nyina te ase na we clothe Ghana Water Company Limited prosecutorial powers ya omo e flouting mra omo de mra show nsem ye ne omo pe e say nsu ano anka ye be ma mo sa tumi no na mo do ma kogina mra nim onyi ni se bra so
me give se bra power se bi se ya chi galamsefo ya dom kokota mra no mudi etino Ghana Water Company ana ye ma sa tumi na so no ana tabe no so no ye wo ona ode the law enforcement agencies are both business Water Resource Commission and the police for Yamona. I said, you almost share rivers in the snow. So, when you are, you don't know the moment Ecogina quarter, in the beginning, and the here. Say, can I think when you are part of Ghana Water Company, you know, you need to to me say, you come, you and I say, you're calling them, you compare or match on. You know, almost to me, the Forestry Commission for Wildlife for Minerals Commission for almost no bitina. You need to no quota running the beginning, say.
Now, Water Commissioner who can, and yet, Nana, oh, can be tia. Onim kurada, see a ukubu hire from Water Commission. I am one ye nim more Ghana Water Company. Enti ya decide to me ne mamo na mo amoye adwuma no a onyini senka beboa
beboa pa se ye nyina na se mpo mo se tumi ye se tumi na na se ye nyina ye boa ama etokwa na ye kono ye timi edi nkuni dino hu be nya mi gidi se mi du a dia ban ne mpanyifo a mo semra no o mo timi ye sa ama ya beboa ye
Yera ma ye na ase anopai
yo ye se da mo ase
yani Yera Kojo Dase ena ekotwetwe nkomo no oye apuye mantamu kasamafo edema Ghana Water Company Limited Kojo Dase no enti afia momfa owie wodie na eja yemfansi
okay yo eti Republic Press da obokrata no na busuan ye DC above so no kama eti nanu adaye call we Cape Coast Ekoye 6th March celebration is a wajini din. Mr. Digital ne ho kanfo ne chocho mucho. Ma me Samira Baomia. Wode nsembia to dwasehwe. Ma mo ka se na nado dan kwakufuado enye adwuma no ommo number no. Aya ontom ase. Ma me Samira so wontom ase akresan se. Na nado dan kwakufuado ba ye. Constituency bia no ono mo a empuntu onkoso ho. Constituency bia empuntu okoso. Ntino ya amkeka kasa no a wonte ase. Ehun sam da ha se kratai ede aba. Na encha no wanso yade aba. Menso meka ama o say pentabi ya jailing no 20 years. Ne girlfriend one ne tie. Girlfriend ne ba wanya mfie 13 years. Ene obrosomati ko asese no ne nada. Chese wanwa kra ne akra na sa anyam. 13 years. 13 years akwado na sese nkura ni wiase oti no. Uye bibia na wadwene ho mienu ya jailing no 20 years. Obeba no na brabo nyina akachi. Na nado dan kwakufuado ku hu asam a waka no da ha sei so. Na ya say a minority for so stress yembie borders no. ICG for one more stress omo managing director yenyinadi na wo mo number ontwatew. Ehun sam aba kratai mu Republic Press yediasi.
Ma me na mo ase bebre nyankopon yadom efiada ebe eye SP ne birthday. So we ni SP.
Anya Malik.
My enti enkofobi ye ne ma bi oho eh din. I see. All right, into the one cat and was on the buy and ma yana say na
Also for bedi akon.
Ma Canada.
Wa Canada
I pa no in there be money
birthday wish.
Money din. Me say money din. Ye chiri hwehwe ani mu.
Oh Mr. Bibi.
Ye chiri hwehwe ani mu.
Mr. Bibi so wish na den. Birthday dia so obi a wish.
Se kwasi ara ya ono nso ba ha. Nti kwasi ara oba no nso abeka.
Tu fa chese ono nso mra
meka kwasi ada. Say aka. And I still ain't in it there. And was I send you audio.
That
oh, did ye? It's in Shushu anymore. One Cassandra Mecca. Quesia doba. Quesia don't so yaw better.
Oh, okay.
Into a bar on us, any day. Where does be? Ain't he a fear ample for? And now on your jumper, a kind who I did the one cat amabo sono. Edi ema wo simano aduasa enan ena abo apa anopa nonwotwe ho medofo ena nkomo ne doso enkomo a edapono so ne doso pa but yebenya abotre ne yi nyina te se besepa ne konu haban yebeta se na benyansafuom sanse adwenkase agenadwa ogusu a edi chiame ewo apueye mantem nyina age atum anopa enkomo a yato ne din se maakye ye kwa homa no so animu ya na ye ne owura Frank Jachi akotwetwe enkomo oye Director of Communication at the Coalition of Concerned Teachers Association unsendra na meka kire so ko Western Regional Director of Education ho atro krata atententin asembe na asia o kire se teacher fo ewo eho no o kai wo mo se rent salary basic dia ne brofo ni bebere na consent teachers te and wom ko pai yen kwa homa no so opani oti enka anopa yi ya mo ache Ahenkan FM so nie
majo sumunia
na umpo mboko de
amiadom
na ade ya mo de manu atum amubu afu a ba akokora ye hwe ewo ha na tefo kwa de omo so omo de owo mu ntua ne ntua ne chena se ye mra wo
mami cha ti fo anopa yi
hello
me tie ne se rent rent de what's aban bangolo mu a emra actually say also we try rent the Western Region Director no issues are instruction now we are not against it entirely but concerns kakai want to say
ɛyɛ titani na sɛdeɛ ne sɛ ɔsɔre na bɔsɔme so a oyi sika ɛkɔma headmaster ana oyi sika kɔma director sɛ the rent nie ɛwɔ sɛ director na compile teacherfoɔ ɛte aban bungalows mu nyinaa na ɔbɛkɔ na bɔsɔm biara so a sika ɛwɔ sɛ yɛte wɔn no yɛate wɔn na matena hɔ no mo for some years now montumi anyɛ saa asɛdeɛ wei na akyerɛkyerɛfoɔ bi matena bungalows mu for 5 years ɛne adeɛ a wɔn ntua ayɛ afei na ɔde directive aba sɛ saa number of years a wɔde atan dan mu nyinaa no ɔmo ametua and that we think say is unfair to the teacher ebi mu nso ebi ti aban bungalow mu a your man rent allowance na the rent allowance no e dey tia rent no ebi nkwa ho no mu a empanifo de bi kwa ho no mu a ye tia omo cook ka tia omo garden boys ka tia ada we nya allowance a ye dem omo dey say adwuma no ba teacher ni dey wo say ono na ka tia fia na oje no eno na onsan fa 10% no emetua rent no bosun bia I would think yes or no and yadia AF abano and I gonna case service AF to the teacher. I don't see some teacher for rent going forward the year. Bibia and see who can say the only yama for no. Yama teacher for one so a ban bangolusum. A ban the ma teacher for no rent allowance. Say the bay bit to me. It allowance no. It yet try a rent moment a ban bangolusum. Empo and a rent was my bubuja or Ghana. Enti sɛ aban ma teacher for rent allowance a ɛne sabi ɛnyɛ bangalo nkwa na atena to baabi foforɔ biara na wotumi ɛde tua o rent ni bi ama ne fie kushi no enti yɛ consensus a yɛ raise no
I see. Enti so far consensus no ma raise on radio on paper mo de be hia mpanimfo.
Let me put on record say this directive no and this conversation no any national conversation, any national issue yet. Any national issue yet. Because GS and Katana let be a my. But what I say, Ghana Education Service National Enfa Kate be a my say, which any Bia or Ghana Hebia or Tia Bangalo Mubiano, Uncle to Yasescano. Specific to Western region. You need a deportia. SC or Western region I can know issues are instruction. And we are waiting. Seba, Nasa Grand the King of Sankasa Edesa information so fast as Biana and say Utia, Saskanautia, and Huariesa. Then we can take it forward. But what I say, but for now, dear, we are having a radio conversation, any other TV conversation. Yes, I say I can handsome.
Okay.
I no matter for no allowance. No parenti omupi na omukotem.
Na omuntu free a government bungalow no one.
And kwa na say yenhye. Temeti aban bungalow mu. Na se osimi metua renter. Eno an se wa frɛ me. Na me aka ho asɛm. Se me pese me koso tra ho no mu a. I'll pay the rent. Se me pese me koso tra ho no mu a. Se me tu free ho no mu. But untumi nhye me say me tia aban bungalow mu ntino. But so I am cutting 10% of my gross because I'm tia aban bungalow mu. Obi o ha person betemu bi. Obi o ha no ma person wotenem. Nti negotiations are also no and by also a cost between director na wo ho no e ye teacher for a school mu ho no mo. E say e for the force will be amana ya dia on person be.
Mami ndi kan mami mi say asase na fe yemfa nkomo no kra mfa NC. Say aban no the concept and I said the idea sa rent allowance ye jana say rent tax ye edi free aban adwuma for ho and in this case you know yemfa teacher for kra any example ye gidi free wo mo ho no a ideal situation.
Oh sir medical ka say teacher for no yen so ye Ghana aban adwuma for. You can apply to other sectors, you know, or they apply to teacher for in a way, no, like I say, can be no. But you could be concerned, me with the chair, I want to say, adentina other sectors in there almost a bangalo mu a your mom allowance no be tia for those rent no na do a teacher for so that most man no mu butum scan fentia. That's the bone of contention. What I say. But not quite so there. What's your bangalo mu a what's your rent? I did I just say be a man a concern man or child. But I'm not necessarily there. What's your bangalo mu a also what's your rent? Nti rent no dey we are willing to pay. But buy no so teacher for na sene. On see teacher for no allowance. Na boso no so a or the tua the rent. That is all that we are saying.
Okay. I think say for now clear na buy no set more members ni bi our western region ho. E wum say nyama me national issue there, but more members from western region no report be no mo di amamo.
So far no I think we are all hearing it on radio near there. And indeed, the members in the our Western region. Teacher for the Western region. Into have affect to them. But your chair say, and yeah, in shit. But what I say?
But I say I was some more members here. Mutimi so finding out from them. Send be among some more kasa. You have your facts right. Anna.
Of course, some member no very important my yen as executive say yeah. Say let us say buy in a hubi. Let them buy down from me a hubi. A coso. If you who are a coso, you are a come once a mono. That is the way to go. That's what I say. That is the way to go. If you come once a more Western region, no. Just Eastern region first was show me the same thing. They will think about this idea equakoye. But what I say, and you know, yeah, Cassa, you and Cassa will do soon. The baby, if you want a money, I call GS and Cassaho, and one couldn't come over him. There near Western region for night, I can know. Then a GS will work half home. Say by our channel, Eastern region former, Ashanti region for somebody. Say, say a national issue, dear, only and discuss it. Na say national na Western region for no kwan no dey say dey do omo so dey a any o see etumi e breath enti no animanim ya no e ade ene no education is better na say na etumi resolve that issue.
Okay, all right. Now come mo akọ producers me bisa this final question na fe yenya ne kokra na nsem ho no mo ne yete say one teacher one laptop ho nsem be ye bebre akira dwi de na kire say obi ate ne ho ase wo ho. Say there, laptops, you know, teacher for no, ya chicha ma omo. I think say I can't Ashanti region for na. Omo sanka omo there. Ashanti region cry no. I think say senior high school you know used to be laptops, you know. Into your car, primary and GHS. And the reporter I mean you say now keep the simuno. Omo so be shasi every single omo there. Into so far so good. Okay. My nasi bibi ani ebesa babium. Inti yene Frank Jechi oye Director of Communication at the Coalition of Concerned Teachers Association. 44 minutes after 8 a.m. Still live on Ahenkan 93.3 FM. Your most authoritative social, political, and current affairs talk show. MAAKYE me ofremi OBUOBA OFORI AMANFO. For adinchen fabrana yankenkan emfa ema. So on Facebook, you know, I've seen a lot of messages yankro for the but unfortunately, I will not be able to read it for them. The reason is simple. En koma ye di wa ha, asemo ye kanu. En afa message, you know, efa hon fabra. Me ma mechechiri message ntontwene yen ha. No. Say adwuma ye ja ye da. Nti omo kasa de afa de ye ho adwuma wa ha no. Omo de na me be kenkan de ama wo mo yi. We see a friend Cecilia Kesse. Cecilia Kesse say o hwe yen live. E di free achim odan na Cecilia Kesse ese o hwe yen e di e free. Sounds so na we enzo say your friend Blessed Sun 2 p.m. 2 p.m. so Asante Mampon wo hwe yen na in fact Ahenkan FM ye abo zege na o kire se menka nkyerɛ NPP sɛ yehia asumdwie wɔ Ghana san sɛ asumdwie de ɛyɛ papaapa Blessed Sun 2 p.m. enso so ɛde a wɔde aba ɛno no wei enso so sɛ yɛfrɛ no Senior Wilson ɔse sɛ leader bi ɛyɛ slow sɛ ɔbɛyɛ adwuma ɔde nsesan de bɛba a nneɛma bebree ɛna ɛtae ɛkɔ so ɛne nti mpanimfoɔ nhwɛ na ɔmo nyɛ biribi ɛmfamfa dibi ahodoɔ a yɛde ama wɔn no ɛho Senior Wilson deɛ a wɔn nso de free akyem man so ɛde ɛbaayɛ ɛno no mepakyɛw nso wobɛtumi de wo deɛ ɛde aba ɛbere papa mu no yɛbɛkenkan no kama ɛde ama wo yɛnkɔ ahoma no so biom na yɛne yɛwura Kwame Kodua Atuahene or Acting Director, Regulatory, Inspectorate and Compliance, National Road Safety Authority. Yera woti yenka, Ahenkan FM suni anopeyi, umpumba kwa die. Yede radia se. Enti ana no ayra ho semu esi ye. Yeguso kra ye yesu a yensu enwie ye. Debia nso ye fra wa ye no obo nkomo e de fa carnages on our roads. Indisciplines on our roads. I say we have been too lenient. Anna. Too lenient on offenders. Eya omo enam omo so man niam ahodo a ekọ so yi ekọ.
Emrana ye wono no.
Yemra na too lenient on offenders.
Sir, emrana ye wono. Yenya kroma bibia ebeboa no ye masope na ye nyina ya boagu bibia ebeboa no ye masope na ya twe ho ai daure na ye table. In 2004 Road Traffic Act by na punishment regime na honaye as we ya tibe for na ban ti ya dodo and penalties are not dodo and a buying payers about the near CSO driver for this and I call Parliament and get a tape penalties since yet so no penalties 100% I try 90 any to go any car 10 it also sounds one yet one.
Not just say clearly sad decision no you could take no why onye ni se inti amwaye dia se wo se yesan ehwe kwan fo fry be fa so a ebeboa ye nyina
it is an there's been uncommon as but just to make the point the time we are and we appear to be at the receiving end of my bia you are hey what cost with it I say one of the safest countries in the world. Yemfa instruction kwa instruction mrai more thing because the password thing to be quite offense Ghana a major traffic offense but so we are driving dangerously and carelessly all the court over here question as well obetua fines are okutia na di a good thousand cities square and the fines will be be 300 cities, 150, 250 cities. That's the way you find Piaka. People no kwa man kwa za bonen no di kwa no kokota ensefe.
Obetimi atua.
Tia won ye wo. Ano say ko fato we no koma ba o yentia. What 2017 till now. Probably that the couple workers are self-equivalent. And we are always a product of our own events and making. German does our kind of enforcement. I agree with you. I've been advocating for stiffer punishment for some time. But that's where we are. Yeah. President Kufuor, I think 2007 or 8. They're very close to election. You know, I'm sorry. Yempene. Call Parliament, both minority and majority. A kai humbo mono. Neo my boy offense I bianca. Ubetia yemfan is
12,000 at the time. No, you call any share where 90% go here, and other car 10%. I don't have to know.
Yera, I know you personally. I know you to be Obi very tough and send your over Ghana at heart. Na your problem I ho. Ye gidi say ya point wa obetimi effect change. E wo baby awo. Nia yete ho no. Are we pushing for a change? Anani yete ho no. Nti we should leave it like that.
We must all engage. So that's why I'm happy you are bringing it up. Well, I've been talking about it for some time. That we must take a second look at penalty regime. But we need the generality of the people, especially the media, to get on our side. Because always the case, say, oh, you're banner a few people mash up. This one I can promise you, because I see the last few days. Yɛde ho nkɔmɔ ayere so apa so ayɛ na awɔtwe yɛbɛgya ato hɔ ne akɔdi nkɔmɔ foforɔ ne akɔtwɛn ama accident na sɛ asi bio asa ne asa afa ho asɛm. But we need sustained advocacy. That's just one side. The second side, no, yeah, they say she's able for about MIA to me say ɛbɛhwɛ institutions so. I know NIS said. Some other opportunity. Even though these individual drivers belong to, even though these individual drivers, some police, yeah, no, you need call institutions and master driver for so. It is fairly within our domain, and about in traffic a legislative instrument ever called parliament. Hopefully, before I'm sorry, maybe I give it to me and my papa. And no a bar. Then I know the VIP was at their bus. The commission mona, the attitude say, oh, driver no now or that. The commission mona a controls transport company no. Now also will be see who finds a driver near our kaka bed on watching it actually. I don't think your man of money got that kind of chair. I don't also chamber. You know, the Sauber, then yeah, no, Siciano. And to be a bedroom purpose, why I better or accident is here. But this is you transport company and the National Road Safety Authority on Fana Juma to answer. Now, you should want Sanya McQuine said, or Betwaso. But in I am Russia. They say, no, you to be. And yes, I say no. And I intimate for a directive soon because I'm runner about my side to be and I'm Casacaka Crabina and no see. But and also a senior shots here. Our expectation is a young could do purpose will be and conform some say, oh, I feel crowd there. I find it was safety for move to operators and it. If you say Goma, we Metro Mass, any STC free. All other passenger operations, any operators, almost private operators. They control about 90% of the market. You know, I'm crowded in Sika Beseju, my dear one, on the motive, Sika, and your safety. Kakrebi, Omoga Krebina, Omojin, Timamufoji now. I don't know what driver neighbor or catch any car would have a tire rate. As you carry rubber catchings on me, and if I do my Bible so make a crank on one side. All being profit on. It's your mind, yeah. I'm on 10 years uncle Moya, I tell you, Chroma, a faka, non public transport on the minia. Require back up standard, air very high. Only a ready so baby standard, now scan out the air transport to back with it before. Now, yeah, we are counting on you. Every driver, baby, away. Transport company, DPI, Portuania, they will all have to come under licensing or permitting. Now, permitting is based on some conditions.
Okay.
Now, what are the conditions now? Every group purpose, so we say, yeah, my own net to mark.
Okay.
And they do because of the culture of resistance. Yet they inquire service any day on penny for any more. ehia yen nti enko na pempi no bibia be boy nyina kra na we come under economic reasons na ezo yen sacrifices but sacrifices na edena mo a ubada ba sorry na nipa ba yen kono because it doesn't happen so aduma ya no at the say ni anu mo na mwie mo no so so dantem ones o mo na mwie ni na mfem obia du a wona so wo sika to said den ya wontimi faro plane kotna airport say wo de fadi babra obi mehwe enka say you say na wo de abesi ho no etiapo pilot a o buko fa wiem say no na dwemu da ho waje na ho me ombreye or ready or fit check pilots busumi sia bia wan kosku a obia ni o ma no kwan say obeka you saying how bit me can the two no so kaka over 20 years as we'll see classroom muta that's so ukita nipa be de ohon kwa enti akwa ni say oh as a car training there sabi obi ati me twibi and enya jima bi a enten enti I didn't know say ya say mutawe ema as a person you call for aduane ebu omo ntama na say omo no aduane free omo say the cost say the sa put na be ye dem adia nem aba catchy but I was say 2 million penny for their my from 2019 no the mananya kwa the public should have the assurance mambo fonte na yo
okay
you would expect that any more ya necessarily be ba din sakai ba the best the more better na tibemo for me atiase na distance no about because I'm not the bet me am ya stable time yam fan 10 lisa enkomoi na over here na I said oh yeah tomorrow safety no am make already I said I'm quite no so bio Pisabe yentisa aban juma mfobia tibamo for si o aban juma mfo we no mukọ juma jump no mo ye ni sa I can say opportunity no because am anya maduma ye na me kwakwan so a me so sa driver ni na sabe only kwan say so bakwan mu a babakwan no man hwe ya me no baba betwa fa me so eno na ye dia aseye odenya amada bia ye kobai ye hwese ye beti medin sese fufu apa bi se nsunsan so no yesu yeti nani mu bi e wu akwan ni mu a ye ni any special protection the cars ekipa bi kwa de papa chan driver for no hire na fa o kwan na ye pothole ni a single carriage no na nyina nam so and that is what motivates us that at the risk of sounding very selfish we must make the rules better for ourselves even before the public because we are also exposed to the risk. I don't know sustaining the passion that we have for the job.
Okay.
But Yanka said, social this year, even though we can thereby anything, I don't know money higher by starting January to February, I feel for the first time in some years, I recorded almost 10% reduction in the number of deaths. Yes, I think it did very much. So, my homeless ye, nanny, CCA, Kotwaswa, but enough to target now, set here, no, Etimanko, this, Eti, Yabemay, Adaho. Now, we have my directives be to all transport operators, for instance. Ubia, Utu Kanya, Quency, now, the Wonamso, Nababo, don't very watch it, and now 500 kilometers, no. The directive, they said, I was able to deploy 2 drivers. Back 4 hours, and about Quabe Trasso. We ever can have and go for the car as a Kuma day, and a full prices cost, and a driver for Kerala for Timmy Chada for Bianuka. But Bakuno Mukobano Mukuyano. You know, a Bergman of Paya, a bottle of a Leco break, 4 hours, 8 to 12, 4 hours. 5. 8 hours a day. I was on the Kojima home. Sana Nankopo Bodipa. So we hear to my daughter what you are to say then I'll be breast out to a home. Now, Quabrani to be translated on Uncle Dovry Bay do me and do night, a do singer. And now, into your Kaura, now see commercial now by year. Now, so then you're trotro, but to be long distance. That's a home or home, now when you're watching there, over employ 2 drivers for so long distance. Now, anyone here will be tight. Because it doesn't happen anywhere. Or might be anywhere else as is why you share your town, you share high private vehicle owners, HIA visa. And we are getting hard on them in the coming days.
Okay.
The Buwa, myself, and you want to fit here because, oh, in your butcher, and I couldn't mind, then couldn't mind, see, couldn't mind the ice your boy to my digits can almost queen. 12 hours, Master, I don't know Captain Planet. Then if that's so, but we can't continue on that stretch.
All right. Into
Unescana 38-seater, 45-seater bus, VVIP, the board thing, and check the Sky Timmy Top VVIP, no. Timmy Kwaje license, Bank of Ghana. It is one power Kwaje license of Bank of Ghana. Now the car, no, and our investment, that's a bank manager, the answer. Who was the car, the better bus and the board thing, but to see what the woman has car, the high drivers for 2 or more the car, the bay.
Okay.
It would move one quadrant to pray.
All right. Enti yera my nase na meme de bia me no di nkoma me ka kire wo say I for one I believe in you say ubetumi edin sesan de aba ba bia wo no nti yenso ye de a wose ye de boa wo no ye be ye da se anopa yi
that's a partner vote of confidence na mo koso na mo moye na yes stand am kaka.
Okay, ye da se be brain ti ye ni yewura Kwame Kodua etu ahene ono oko National Road Safety Authority or your acting director, regulatory inspectorate and compliance. Any and chain and common medofo. Tiwema ye ba and commentary no ye de to aso. Ye will be bri or honomoa. A few cranny baby demon come. My catcher will say we will do a bit of editorial, a analytical, very deep, and we will be hard on some people this morning. Tiwema ye ba ye to aso.
Hey, ODI Electronics. Mama ye say mu waniama papa. Wow! Ne nyoma ben ne edi eni ehuntia. Ye ni agesa no.
Refrigerators, deep freezers,
beautiful
irons, microwaves, blenders, gas cookers, kettles, rice cookers,
that's right.
TV, washing machines, and anyama hodra you use to fie ni na.
That's dramatic. Seeing is believing. Where do you need to ma? Ye ni nyaw. Chesa upe home appliances. Edi abodwuma efie ni bebia. ODI Electronics and abeko anameboa.
Aini. Would ye friend ya wahoma show for you so 0550 900 600
0550 900 600. Adishmama na die de krani say emfa oni bebia wo. Udi anso be frɛ 0550 900 600. Bebia obia no e be deliver edi amount. ODI Electronics ya ba say ye TV, fridge, gas cooker, kettle, anase microwave. Adie bi me ma me fie ye de na ho so ye de no. Ye woni say chapo ho. O friend ya ye be cho kwan be for so benya ode. ODI Electronics. Ye no ye delivery eko bebia.
Malaria ya banana druna bo tenate. Fix Herbal, the Fix Mala mixture. Wa boni pitu, wa boni bede. Na otu malaria se prekupe na aba. Se wuti yo wenumato. Wa powder nsisi wiye. Akọ aspiti ana akọ ye test ma wosi enya malaria. Ma malaria nzi unye bio. For Fix Mala mixture na obama wa pomuzin prekupe. Kwa drugstore ana pharmacy shop na benya Fix Mala mixture ato. Na se pendudu etwa ko Fix Herbal wo adenta kantamanso. Ana frɛ 020-844-4442. 020-844-4442. Fix Mala mixture dri. Obi a wenyin san. Anorma bofraba enufu. Ana bofraba onzi mfidwe bien mfa. Fix Mala mixture. Enkratuyi FDA apenodo.
Ghana adisiye. OBUOBA OFORI AMANFO emamo ache ediba Ahenkan 93.3 FM.
So some 5 minutes after 9 a.m. Jumedi Augusto awutie no eye mache menso ofreme OBUOBA OFORI AMANFO enkoma ya bono edoso enu nti yedi nkomo ede afa ene Ghana Water Company wo hwe kwan ye befa so aye nsu an ye besi aboho ban ewiase nyinada ena no Jordan wo mi si ho no ene yedi ho enkomo ye firi ho no mo nso so aba bedi enkomo de afa akyerɛkyerɛfoɔ a aba beto dwa sɛ basic salary yɛbɛte rent edi afiri mu ɛno nso so yɛade a yɛdi ho enkomo ɔkyɛ sɛ 10% yɛne ɔmo mpanimfoɔ abɔ ho enkomo yɛ free hɔ no mo nso no yɛaba bɛhwɛ road safety authority wɔn nso so hɔ nso yɛaba bɛdi enkomo a yɛduru so sisi ya no ɛyɛ Bremu Central Municipal Assembly wɔn nso so enkomo ɛna yɛba bɛdi ɛwɔ fie ha ɔmo bɛyɛ yɛbɛma ɔmo nkonnwa tena so efiri K Asenso Limited sɛ swinging wheel office chairs quality wooden chairs ɛna afei yɛtɔn authentic book shelves a okɔ assembly hɔ no mo a mo shelves a wɔ hɔ nyinaa ɛyɛ K Asenso hɔ ɛna ɔmo kɔɔyɛ munyanya bi nso a office bi a meba assembly hɔ no mo a mi wura mu akyire ebedi mu nkɔmɔ K Asenso Limited ayɛ krado so ɔbɛ furnish mo saa nneɛma no nyinaa ebi Sekra Dabaka off Iran Clinic Kaneshi Flamingo Road Zango Junction ubehunu K Asenso ɛwɔ hɔ ɛyɛ no afrɛ no 0302 257209 and at 0302919739 home of quality office chairs and book shares. Apani apumbako die.
Apumbako minia.
Nyamiadum.
Good.
An assembly to saying.
Assembly boko. So and anope mitiosa obajuma.
Yeah, that's na oko assemblies ni bia omo presiding members ya bat for no eguso a ekoso mo ha mato dada ana wonyanya mfie mienu no
yes
wonyanya oh okay I see
beto wonyanya
I see ase moto ne ba ne de assembly hwa yedin kakra
na say assembly na yedin na moto ne say omnim say definitely to come
se na offer is saying assembly members be yanche wo ho kakra but as a moto ni ba ye no
bibia ye din na so so pade na onsa ka wi adan
esa ese de ekomogia no mi
na so
yate yentie we
yo minu am da se anopa de ma me franchia kase ma ye ma me honorable Victoria Adu ye MP honorable Alexander Kwesi akwa ya presiding member honorable Castro Asumade and coordinating director, all management members, and honorable MP and the members of the assembly and any committee members carry out some major programs. And cutting sword for the construction of toilet, 6 youth classroom block, Presby, and ICT center for St. Luke Catholic Primary.
Cutting sword.
Yeah, for construction.
You see, baby, Benny.
Thank you.
Oh, okay.
I honor the school now. Share the population of the school and now the.
I don't need assembly now from the MP.
From the MP.
Yeah. Hey, MP, so they need a toilet here. You see,
no, they made a request, a specific request. But on one case, who said yes.
Oh, okay. And on also, yeah, they were toilet here into who you need my den cry.
Oh, well. Say I didn't hear Modia, then he has to provide. He says request, so until that is it.
Oh, okay.
And that's also me the one call your bylaw no kakra. Your bylaw on payment of rate and lances. And run ajo and last weekend or so I went round, but I realized that payment of fees issues kakra bi look at public education we have to continue. Payment of rate and lances. Yes, say bylaw bylaw within your jurisdiction near my womb. One kasa na wa geneti law said the beya a bit me a governor and the bylaw assembly no the local governors at 936 when my who can say yes I bylaw. Now payment of rate and lances was a payment of rate and lances fee. A person is liable to pay rate or lances from license fee approved by the assembly shall make such payment of the assembly to any accredited agent. Until I hadn't the accredited agents near revenue officers now more call around. Until Wamona say your mouth builder nipa na ode bill na ebe ma no ono na obetua scanner ma no. Was say payment should be made before 30th June. Until by June we are expecting say obi a ne saka the bill bia watua ne amount I want the bill so. And I was use of forceful means. Oh, when I na empese be do sa level way use of forceful means no empese be do ho. Was the assembly shall use appropriate means including legal action or locking up of businesses, premises, offices to ensure compliance after the necessary reminders has been issued by the issue to the person. Until your honor say no, say a bill now. Now the bill beer the amount beer there is a date on it. Date no also paid by 30th June. Until the amount na date ni choma. Next time the reminder abreu. Now reminder no so any choma then assembly has the right to use any forcible means, including legal or locking up of the business premises. Until yes, so sometimes you pass a bit do level no. Until the bill mawa na issue on one quickly now aba. Raise na you know what transit na solve a problem. Also obstruction. A person shall not obstruct an agent of the assembly from collecting rate. Wow, mean you say revenue collector eba won chance or no ba beji revenue and beji ni sika. Na say bia wo akiri no wonka ho kra e bia mfa say maba misobo ho me ba beji me maybe BOP na bia me nua ya oti akire yi ono ka kire wo say mantua. Okay, by law no you see wo akire kra wo ka kire nipa no say ono mantua obstructionist no obstruct enchew because found anya wasam why should you interfere in that matter manipa na yene no e deal no ono ani handle issue nti issues we abama ya chi obi pen
na my reverse kakra na fe ensambra. Okay, as we speak Brem Central Municipal Assembly BOP property rate any the keke ka ho nyina no ekwa abonten match bills no
ya send bills no nyina nti say obi ensan kan na bill that means the geographical area maybe a property
or
na be a revenue quarter ni ndu abi ogusu che
and see your first quarter.
Yes,
nti say mo be cha wo say mo che ntem
by now no dey me sure say some of the bills no issues wom oba print we na omasande issues that's why we keep on doing the corrections. But what I'm trying to say is that all our bills are printed now. You are printing your bills nyina
assembly nyina mu ana odankwa
I'm talking of within our jurisdiction here. The other district I can't talk.
There be me can na say ayi debia ye can Brem Central attention nyina wo odan. Yes,
but Brem Central including all the 8 surrounding
electoral areas ni nyina
18 electoral areas ni
abo ne ne
ka abo dem same odankwanta ye bo akrom all those ho nyina ka
na eho moko eya den na moko che because I know say oba odan dia odan no ye the central business center na nkasa enti moko te say jadam esemu eho den na moko che
property rate ni BOP but people are also doing business there.
Oh, I see.
You see, the reason why you must go there and also see they should contribute something so that when they need something, it is easy to maybe a jedem and ask or they need this, so we have to provide. But let's assume anything that anything that this our donor assess now mobile every year about assess here no. Then when they come, they want to find out whether yanka say yetimi so like I get them or down kwanta or any electoral area no. So wanka say to me bibia it generates some little funds be revenue from the when we see the revenue is coming from the area, a request made to the assembly maybe for construction of school or anything. You see, it is easier for it to be done. But let's assume say there's nothing coming from that area. There's you see it sometimes you see I mean can't you say the type of fire medium term development plan now share programs and projects it capture by beer every village or every electoral area within the municipality. Nti abasa na projects bar we look at babia HSECO. It shouldn't be centralized in only Oda. It should be spread across. So they be say correct. Me say last year this November, your commission 6 youth class who block war your work room. Very beautiful. So school be maybe some in town self or maybe. 6 week very nice one. So you see, we try to cut across say all projects no entering village BR. But in revenue generation too, we must also they must also help us to also generate our revenue. It counts.
And you more launch agenda, no contribution, no chop.
So,
Anna.
Oh, but at the moment, we have officers, revenue officers who are in those communities, and they are.
Me fan say maybe buja bi. Ewo yem fan say beka opa eka. Minim say beka opa wo yi as achimansa. But yem fan say nka eka bremu central ho. Maybe buja wo beka opa. Mo be dan beje eto.
You see, that's why every electoral area we have an assembly member there. So there are some of the information you give assembly members, honorable members. Now, let's take a same for instance. We have a community near to a same, that is Labikrum. Until definitely we have an officer who is in a same.
Okay.
Until he take responsibility of Labikrum. Understand? Until every community BIO, we have an officer who oversees that area.
Okay.
I see. In the Senate here.
All right. Inti Yansamra
Mrano so offenses or say a person who contravenes any provisions of section commit an offense and shall upon conviction be sentenced to pay a rate in full in addition to a fine of not less than 100 penalty unit or default to a term of imprisonment not exceeding 3 months. You see, 3 months or both. Here is the case. Say, what they cut 10 cities and 50 cities. Now, from January to maybe June, when Pia, your more grace period, still when Pia. Mranama, Emma, you say either you better legal way, you better show the court, and I say a local or business up. Now, you do court, there's a penalty, a penalty unit be obetria.
Sikabi a daha obetria. I thought be obet me to Yesicani, ubet me to Yesicano. As I
correct
them.
Yes,
I thought be so obet Yesicana pet.
It depends on how it goes. Until if a penalty unit here 12 cities are 12 cities times 100 unit. Until that's 1,002. Let's assume so they cut 50 cities. Now the quarter you are paying 1,002.
Now as one ding to
1,002. Who 1,002? No what 3 years 50 cities now so they can. Then na court for so the omo charges are back home.
Okay. But I would want to believe say more pricing so favorable, encouraging I will be hunu the pricing say okay.
That is why before a fee fix we have what we call stakeholders meeting. You draft up a fee fix maybe this year. You the back stakeholder those concerned or more mutual like say market women, artisans, carpenters.
That's the last year kramu yebi.
Yeah.
I don't know what they call drum 5-year development at the end.
I know action plan. Yes. Until when you say this year cry back.
Oh, okay.
And what it means that you bana yet the tuja every this year no. Last year moved to 50 cities, this year moved to 60 cities. Then then finally we arrive either the 50 or 60. Whatever we arrive, I don't know. And from there, it doesn't end. Oh, a few fixed no. We have budget committee. From budget committee, it go to FNA. From FNA, no, it go to executive. Then your cost stakeholder. From there, it goes back to the general house, which is like the parliament of our municipality. Then the honorable members will debate on it. They'll go through. And also, even sometimes stakeholders at the stakeholders
meeting agree on a certain amount.
Yes,
but assembly members, you know
they can even.
Yes. Oh, okay.
Make I say yet mean the figure call stakeholder. Me no much yet to say be a bit 3,000. But it could do at the general house
assembly. No,
they can either bring it down. Say no 1,000 no 2s. Yeah, you be approve 900.
Oh, okay.
Or and more drop now Minister of Local Government the ceiling among every district and municipal assembly. And they say Manso 4G 1 city. Brim Center ain't 1 city.
I was saying pepe.
No, they are district.
Oh, okay.
Until someone 1 cedi, you be 2 cedis.
Oh, okay.
But you to mean G up to more than 5 cedis. Almost to mean G more than 3 cedis.
Oh, I see.
Ya more be a ceiling. Until say, yeah, G 1 cedi wa Ame and I say KMA. Almost to mean G 1 cedi. Almost buy 3 or 5 cedis because also they are above us. Until that says almost channel in that order. Until a background now, even though if I look at fee fixing now, we do it to say the buyer it to because at the moment we are even not using the approved one for the municipal assemblies. Some of the bills are district rate and at the moment because of the condition within your area. No, or shout to me who said that I think when you move from this state to this place are having until you maintain and I say in Fanqua district level. Then you hear the same thing. So some of the bill that's how it goes.
Okay.
Wow. But what I'm trying to say is that every 1 cedi or every penny be a triano. It does not go waste or it does not go to somebody's pocket. It comes to the assembly and it helps us to correct.
Okay.
And Ranajo, I went round. Yeah, well, what we call night revenue collection.
Now I know that's all.
Kwesiara
de na egu no.
Kwesiara de hona se egu engu ye.
Sa.
Me ndani kwesiara nyina we collect.
Some can say mo kwaya na nkrofo esopa mu ntimo so.
The thing is that adibia obe start from beginning. You have challenges. As time goes on, then the education goes on. Yeah, that is it. But anajo there na look as if there are some few challenges. Obi wo ho or ono onye business daytime. When anajo. But anajo no call now so ko gini sika on tiase. Simply because I say ono odi ni dwana anajo.
But anajo na Ghana.
Thank you. Also you are doing business. Obi di dwa daytime. Ya je no ono watua. Na wa also di dwa anajo no. We should we dey emenjo. But we na mo ye business. Ebeto abasa wo kra anajo business na wo ye no. You earn more than the one daytime. Nti yesre especially those zonal councils no they say who have taken in charge with the day night collections no. Yesre say who ye adwuma whether Indomie or whatever you are doing. Now revenue collector ba simple. One cedi the tuama no. Because also business are wo ye no. Obi so our data on so tua ne de. Say the be ye nyina will help to develop our municipality.
Okay. Enti ma yema frefo be se miensa ekwan ebia na obi nso so wa ase bi opese obi sa na ono so etimi dia but the issue is ya anadwo day Ghana
revenue collection is 24 hours.
Ade san na no nche se Ghana edin na sesa.
And it's true.
E ba udin be bi akase free.
Hello.
Wada Roma udin be bi akase free.
Danso ni akase free abo.
Me pa cho yintio.
Yeah, omo wan bajo bisa officer no one say after 31st December 2021 now OBUOBA no saying and I see the omo printing also no saying.
Okay.
That's it.
Men so me da se bebre. Me fa cho 0201 944 485 and 0554 820 910. If I told you baby akase free. Udini baby akase free wadaroma. Hello. Debbie wentimi anyina so. Mpacho nso betimi abana asem a wo edibisa opani ubisa no we yi ano ede amount. Mpacho udini baby akase free. Debbie.
Nice no.
Opani na wanu gu bibi so.
Yes.
Fa no mumu sina fe.
Yo but nipa your friend no me answer no. Was say BOP has a 2020 na ya he. And as I say I printer ya he. BOP no it depends adwuma wo ye. Nti any what do you call it, one unit figure for all of them. Say be we artisan would pay 5 cedis na obi so ye maybe fitania. The price will not be the same. Nti obia one there. Nti unless we catch am say bia last year otua 10 cedis and this year 15 cedis dia fine. But BOP no obia anya unique and I say anya the same amount for everybody.
Okay, nti yam fan say
I mean container. If you have container na bia the size of the container, I know your container permit. The size of the container even determines the amount. But BOP there sometimes
udini baby akase free.